Okay, just for grins, I thought I'd give you a little bit more detail on my top dead center tool. I hollowed out a spark plug. I soldered in a copper tubing, that's a piece of copper tubing, brass tubing, at an angle. So it actually goes across and comes out down here on the side. Can't let it protrude, but it comes out right on that side. And it puts the brass, you can see some of the different scribe marks that I've made on it for different bikes I work on. And it comes out at an angle. What that happens is when I put the spark plug in at the normal head angle, I get almost a vertical displacement on my homemade top dead center tool. So I don't have to work at an angle. The last thing I'll show you is I made a cut across the threads, and that acts as sort of a thread cleaner. If there's any crud in the threads, that'll clean it out. And that's an old trick. A bolt with a cut across it acts as a thread cleaner. You can use that a lot on a lot of different bolts and threads to clean them out. It's basically a thread chaser. So anyway, that's how I made it. And I actually filed across to embed the brass tube in the side of the spark plug, so I get that nice straight check. When I have the spark plug at an angle, I get almost vertical displacement, which gives me a very, very fine check on top dead center. Oh, that's just a cool little tool.